The Caribbean market remains central to our growth strategy for Q4.
We need to ensure the new Oasis-class deployment is flawless.
It's a pleasure doing business with you.
Likewise, this is a monumental day for Project Icon.
The structural integrity calculations for the foresection are finalized.
Yes, the 3D model confirms compliance. We can approve the preliminary design.
See how the glass panels align here. The support points need reinforcement for the scale.
What about the connection detail on level 4?
Schau mal, wie das Licht hier bricht.
Ja.
Die kinetische Bewegung muss flüssig sein.
Ja, das sieht großartig aus. Das ist perfekt für die Royal Promenade.
So looking at the surfside layouts, we've marked the primary flow here. This ensures the emergency route aligns with the Thrill Island axis.
Teräksen leikkaus on alkanut. Kaikki valmiina osastolla 1. Toistetaan. Teräksen leikkaus alkaa nyt.
All right, bring her down easy. That's the Icon Batch 1.
Roger that. Localized clear. Easy. 5 millimeters to port.
Confirmed. Alignment is good.
Hold position on rig 4. We have sparks in sector 3.
Roger that. Holding.
Clearance check on the starboard side.
Looks good. Moving ahead slowly.
Slow to crawl speed. 20 millimeters to go on the center line. Hold position for lowering sequence.
Down and secure.
Read's good. 0.8. All right, ready for weld.
Langsam, langsam. Ein bisschen nach links. Ja, ich hab's. Passt so. Ablassen.
Bring her in slow, watch the alignment.
Hydraulics engaging. We are stable.
Load is stable at 412 tons. Proceeding to traverse.
Starboard side, we have 50 centimeters. Repeat, 50 centimeters.
Confirm. Confirm. Keep it coming slow.
As you can see on the cross-section here, the dual tank arrangement ensures trim stability.
Yes, the weight distribution is perfectly balanced now.
Confirmed balanced.
All right, slow traverse to the starboard side. Watch the clearance on the crankcase.
Roger that. Beginning final descent into position 1 now.
Centerline deviation 0.015 millimeters, within tolerance.
The pressure is holding steady at 0.5 bar. No drop detected.
Excellent. The boundaries are secure.
Central, the module is floating free. Tugboats engage and hold position. We'll clear from the dockyard. Maintain course 290. Moderate winds expected outside the breakwater.
Check the tension on that starboard line again.
Aye, Captain. Looks good.
Kiitos hinaajat. Nyt varovasti sisäänpäin. Olemme melkein perillä.
Selvä. Seuraamme ohjeita.
Weld joint clear. No indications found. Clearance check on the bridge supports. Easy now. Dead slow.
Verified. Coming down steady.
We did it! What a massive achievement for the team.
WFT, 128 microns and abstains acceptable.
We need 350 microns exactly at the waterline.
I'm building it up now. The flow looks good.
Bring it down slowly. Watch the starboard side.
Steady, steady. We have contact on the rails.
Easy on the left. Watch the alignment.
Control, this is Deck 4. Module is secured on the tracks, moving forward.
Easy now. Watch the edge.
Got it. Looks good. Hold it steady. That's the last one. We're finally finished.
Yeah, it looks perfect right there.
Initiating control test sequence. Engaging pitch mechanism.
Readouts are stable. Thumbs up confirmed.
The last scaffold is clear. Start the pumps.
It's magnificent. The flooding sequence has begun. Icon of the Seas Magton Sea Trials departure in 1 hour.
Bridge, confirm heading 020.
Heading 020 confirmed. Engine room reports ahead slow.
Dual fuel system performing to specification.
Maximum speed achieved Davies. Contract target exceeded.
Turning circle complete. Maneuvering characteristics excellent. Full astern. Emergency stop complete. Stopping distance within limits.
The heel angle has stabilized at 2.3 degrees. The metacentric height is confirmed at 4.2 meters.
Stability excellent.
2 Ribius, 1 medium rare. Yes, chef. Pick up, please.
The sea trials were a complete success.
All right, secure the forward line. Let's get the gangway connected.
All right, team, initiating sequence 1. Lights to full. And cue fountains.
It is my tremendous honor to present the bell for the Icon of the Seas, built with...
Look how close that is. I can't believe it fit. It's absolutely massive.
Amarren la línea de proa al volardo.
Cuidado con la tensión. Tiren despacio.
Provisions loading complete Martin class, ready for passenger service.
Captain, the ship is yours. Fair winds to Miami.
Thank you, pilot.
Finished with engines, hence shoreside power connected.
Control, this is Alpha. All elements are green. Sound check is complete and levels are good. We are ready for the spectacular.
Welcome aboard the maiden voyage. It's breathtaking.
All systems confirmed, ready.